44, we have S equals n plus 1 over 2. So I'm going to multiply by 2. So now I have 2s equals n squared plus n. I'm going to subtract the 2s. So I have n squared plus n minus 2s equals 0. And I'm going to use the quadratic formula where a equals 1 because I'm solving for n. A equals 1, b equals 1, and c equals negative